Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving yesterday. Boy, no complaints weather-wise, that's for sure. Lots of sunshine out there and very mild temperatures. Not quite as warm today, but we had plenty of blue sky as we look at our Billy Goat Sky-Fi Tower camera up in Okanogan County. Here's Pateras, and that's where the Methow River joins the Columbia River, and of course Brewster in the middle of your screen. All of us, just a beautiful day. And the good news is if you're traveling back home from Thanksgiving, it looks great. Both Snoqualmie and Stevens Pass, no travel impacts for today if you're leaving tonight or Saturday or Sunday. And if you're traveling east, no problem either. Lookout Pass looking good right through Sunday. So been a pretty good travel Thanksgiving holiday, that's for sure. And as we move into the rest of our weekend and the first part of next week, this is what's called a persistence forecast, which means not much is going to change for about the next 5 to 6 days. Very stable weather conditions. And as I mentioned, a persistent inversion, which means we could see a little bit of that haze as we get into next week, and some morning fog definitely a possibility too. We'll get to all that in a second. But high temperature today, a little bit above normal. 43 our unofficial high. 40 is where we should be for this time of year, and 64 degrees our record. And boy, we're going way back for that one, to 1959. 27 this morning. 29 is our normal low temperature, but check out our record low, our first below zero record of the fall, 5 below, and that was in that very cold fall/winter of 1985. Sunrise 7:18, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:17. All right, let's get you into those temperatures as we head into the upcoming weekend. A little cooler, and that'll be the trend moving forward. 38 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 39 for Quincy, and 40 degrees the high temperature in Wenatchee tomorrow. We'll see that up Highway 97, Omak at 41, Leavenworth and Cashmere tomorrow with the high temperature expected around 40 degrees at 39. All right, tonight we can expect mostly clear skies. Large area of high pressure is really keeping our skies clear, but it's also bringing that colder air down from Canada, and that's why we will cool down beginning tomorrow. Chilly temperatures tonight, once again in the 20s. For Saturday, a beautiful weekend ahead, sunny and seasonal. We will see highs right where we should see them for this time of year. Tomorrow at 40 degrees, and we're going to see lots of sunshine kicking off our weekend. For Sunday, pretty much the same. High pressure ridge goes all the way up into British Columbia. We'll see a little bit of fog possibly in the morning Sunday, mostly sunny in the afternoon. Once again, ending our weekend in the upper 30s for high temperatures. Now kicking off our next work week, persistence. Remember that. Not much is going to change. Morning fog, mostly sunny in the afternoon. High temperatures Monday again in those upper 30s, which will be about normal for this time of year. Getting into Tuesday, more of that morning fog, and it'll be freezing fog. So each morning as you head out the door, be careful of that. High temperatures near 40 with lots of sunshine by Tuesday afternoon. Getting into midweek Wednesday, we expect more of that morning fog and more clouds too. A bit of a trough of low pressure is beginning to form, and that will move over us Wednesday night. We'll see highs in the mid to upper 30s on Wednesday, so about 37 for the high. Bye-bye November as we get you into Thursday next week, our final day of November, and here's that area of low pressure. It'll bring a lot of clouds through the Pacific Northwest on Thursday. We'll see high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s rather, and then as we get into the next weekend, it looks like we could see our first snowfall of the season, and we'll talk more about that when we get together early next week. All right, your 7-day forecast, about 24 degrees overnight tonight with all those clear skies. Going to get chilly. 40 for Saturday, 39 on Sunday. Morning fog, a possibility all the way through Wednesday. And look at these consistent temperatures, upper 30s to near 40, and then just a little bit cooler as we get into midweek Wednesday and Thursday. Morning fog, a possibility. Lots of clouds in the afternoon with high temperatures both days at 37 degrees.